Purple coneflowers are a great native perennial in our drought-tolerant gardens. The flowers attract many pollinators and small birds love the seeds. But last summer, Doris Acevedo sent us this note about her plants. Every year they start doing great and then the flowers start getting some type of dirt on them. I cut every flower that shows this problem, but it doesn't stop. It keeps growing on every flower on all plants. Doris, it's difficult to tell what might be causing the problem without actually seeing pests, but there could be several options. Caterpillars can create webbing, and many times their frass, or poop, can look similar to dirt. Some caterpillars are active at night, so you may need to go explore with a flashlight after dark. Another possible option is some type of mite. Spider mites can create webbing on plants and tend to be more active at hot, dry times of the year. Spider mites can usually be seen with a good 10x hand lens and often start populations on the underside of leaves and expand webbing to cover the plant as their population increases. Coneflowers may also get very tiny, weird-looking mites, commonly called coneflower rosette mites, which is a type of eriophyid mite. Eriophyid mites require more magnification to be seen and may often look like dust collecting on the seed heads. These mites have elongated, spindle-shaped bodies and only 2 pair of legs, where most mites have 4 pair of legs and oval-shaped bodies. Coneflower rosette mites live inside developing flower buds and can cause flower distortion from their feeding. Unfortunately, there isn't much information on efficacy of miticides against these mites, so they are best managed with sanitation. It's important to cut off and destroy flower heads before the mites disperse to new flowers. Make sure to throw away infested flower heads and not put them in the compost pile to ensure there won't be reinfestation. Find out more and watch online at centraltexasgardener.org.